In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view free Shopify themes overview. To get started, make sure you're logged in to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for your store, where you manage products, orders, and of course, your theme. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of menu options there. Find the one labeled Online Store and click on it. When you click Online Store, you'll automatically land on the Themes section. This is also known as your theme library. Here, you'll see your current live theme at the top and any other themes you may have added below it. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. On the lower left side, you'll see a card that says something like Explore More Themes. And within that area, there will be a button labeled Visit Theme Store. Go ahead and click that button. This will open the official Shopify Theme Store in a new view, where you can browse all available themes. Inside the Shopify Theme Store, focus again on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see various filter options that help you narrow down your search. Look for the filter labeled Price. Under that price filter, check the box that says Free. Once you do this, the theme results will refresh so that only free themes are displayed. This is a great way to make sure you're not seeing any paid options while you're just exploring. Now scroll through the list of free themes. Take your time to look at the thumbnails, names, and short descriptions. When you see a theme that catches your eye, click on it. This will open a larger preview page for that specific theme. On this page, move to the bottom right corner and click the View Demo button. This turns the preview into an interactive demo, so you can experience it more like a real store. With the interactive demo open, start exploring the theme as if you were a shopper. Try clicking the search icon to see whether a simple search box appears or if it opens in a different style. Click the cart icon and notice whether it opens as a side drawer, a pop-up, or takes you straight to the cart page. Next, explore the navigation. Click the menu items to see if they open as a slide-out drawer, a mega menu, or a simple drop-down. If there are nested menu items, check how those are displayed. Look at any filtering or sorting options on collection pages to see how customers would refine their search. Scroll down the homepage and pay attention to how each section is laid out. Banners, featured products, testimonials, and any other blocks. Then, click into a product to open the product page. Review how the product images, descriptions, variants, and pricing are presented. See whether there are recommended products or related items displayed underneath. Finally, scroll all the way down to the footer. Check how the email sign-up form looks, how the footer menu is structured, and whether there are country or region selectors. Also take note of the payment icons, social media icons, and the general layout of the copyright area. By carefully exploring these parts of the demo, you'll get a clear idea of how each free theme behaves before you decide to add it to your store.